fired up.
Go for it, bud. Oh, the clutch in there, huh? You need the clutch in first. And you got a stick. You're taking a stick with you. Prison Hill gang member on the bridge. All right.
Yeah, Sean, your truck looks good with the white.
You just set the throttle up a little bit so it's like a cruise?
No,
it
does it when you let off going downhill.
Whoa.
It'll just like slowly
That's a
creep.
wonderful feature.
The castle creep, dude.
Huh? The creep feature.
See, mine pretty much stops unless I wiggle the wheel.
I think Paul said he might come out.
Oh yeah, yeah, he did tell me he was coming. So Shane and Paul, and then my buddy Aaron should be here. But he's on.
You see where the end of the fucking driveway is.
I don't like how whiny it is with the portals, dude.
It's take a left on.
That's cool.
It's like 10, 15 minutes up.
Like a whole picture, but that could like drip more, you know what I mean, if it gets stuck in the tire. Whereas if you heat it up and poke a hole into it, it'll like build up a thicker